Hello professionals, important compliance update related to Form MSME 1. So a company is required to file this return half yearly. For period April to September, the due date is 31st October, and for October to March period, the due date is 30th April. So what is MSME 1 and why it is filed? So basically, if any company falls in any of the following conditions or following circumstances during the half year, then the company must file Form MSME 1 by the due date as mentioned above. So the two conditions are: first, if payment made after 45 days. So if during the half year any payment has been made to a registered MSME vendor after 45 days from the date of acceptance invoice, the company needs to file MSME 1. So let's understand by an example. Company A purchases goods from vendor X, a registered MSME vendor. So invoice date is 1st July 2025, and as per MSME Act, payment is due within 45 days, that is by approximately 15th August 2025. So company A actually makes payment on 25th August 2025, that is 10 days late. So in this case, company must file MSME 1. And the second case is if payment pending beyond 45 days. So if at the end of the half year there is any amount outstanding and unpaid to MSME vendor for more than 45 days, the company is also required to file MSME 1. So let's understand this also with an example. Company B receives services from vendor Y, a registered MSME vendor. So invoice date was 10th January 2025. So as per MSME Act, payment due within 45 days, that is approximately 24th February 2025. So as of 31st March, company B has not yet paid this invoice. So in this case also, company needs to file Form MSME 1. So the due date for this half year is 31st October 2025. So must file Form MSME 1 if you fall in these two conditions. Thank you so much guys.